is Surbhi Savardekar. I reside in Mumbai and I'm currently working as a manager with a logistic real estate company, ESR India. I'm a civil engineering graduate with a post-graduation in project management, and apart from a profession, I'm a passionate long-distance runner and an aspiring triathlete. Prior to shifting to Mumbai for my higher education and career, I was in Chiplun, where I completed my SSC from SPM English Medium School, Parshuram. And today, on the occasion of Sharadotsav, I take immense pride to talk about my school, which played an important role in my life and my career. I would like to share my journey of how I got into the sport of running. So during my childhood days, I used to be a pretty active kid. I used to play badminton, swimming, cycling, and I was involved in a lot of sporting activities. But when I moved to Mumbai for my engineering, the sedentary lifestyle started to kick in when the sports kind of took a backseat, and it went further down when I started working in 2012. The tipping point in my life arrived in 2016 when I turned 26, and I found myself unable to relate with the person I was looking into the mirror. This was the point when I decided to take the stock of the situation and act progressively towards getting fitter. So there was this marathon event happening nearby my place, and I thought I would give it a try. So I registered for 5 kilometers, which is a minimum distance for every marathon event. And after the run, I was completely out of breath and huffing and puffing. So that's when I realized how low my fitness levels are. But I was completely awestruck looking at the people in their 60s and 70s running full marathons and half marathons. So that was kind of an inspiration for me, and that's when I decided that I would give a shot at running a half marathon at least. So I looked up and I searched on the internet for some marathon training program, and I found one nearby my locality. So I immediately enrolled for it, and once I started my training, after that there was no turning back for me. I registered for a 10-kilometer race and then a 15-kilometer race within the first 4 months of my training, and I stood second in both the races. So that was kind of a motivation for me, and even throughout my training, I could see my progress improving, and my timing is getting better. That motivated me to push further and try to achieve more personal records. I did my first half marathon in within 8 months of my training. So this was in 2019, and within the span of 2 years, I have done almost 20 plus half marathons and around 10 plus 30-kilometer runs, and I'm currently training for a full marathon. But the highlight of my running journey was the Bombay Goa Chase event. So this was in December 2020. Ran from Bombay to Goa, covering a distance of around 557 kilometers within 52 hours and 30 minutes, and we Team Stronger set a national record for attempting this longest all-women relay run from Bombay to Goa, and we have been honored by India Book of Records for this run. Another highlight for me this year was I got a chance to interact with Joshua Cheptegei, who is the world record holder and an Olympic athlete. During a virtual running event which is organized by the world's best running team, NN running team, which has the best elite athletes in the world. Long distance running is not an easy task, I would say. It takes months and months of consistent training, sometimes years of consistent training, to achieve your goals, achieve your targets. and you have to train in any kind of weather, be it hot days, be it cold days, be it monsoons. There are no shortcuts to long distance running, and running has imbibed in me discipline and persistence, and it also impacts the life choices that I make. That is, I have to eat better, I have to sleep better, to that it doesn't affect my performance. And running really shows you what can be achieved when you put your mind to it, and makes you realize that goals in any area of your life, be it personal or professional, are not out of your reach.